Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the sum of the series as 1 upon factorial 1 plus 1 upon factorial 2 till 1 upon factorial n. So let's start this with the program. In the first line, import math, the math module provides access to mathematical functions like factorial used in this program. Now, in the next line here, a function is created to calculate the sum of the series. The name of the function is sum of series, which takes a single parameter n. And the docstring here describes what the function does, its parameter and the return value. Now, in the next line here, this checks if n is less than or equals to 0. If true, the function returns a true message stating that n must be a positive integer. Now, in the next line, this initializes total sum to 0, which will hold the total sum of the series. Here, in the next line, this loops iterates through integers from 1 to n inclusively. And in the next line here, math.factorial, this calculates the factorial of I as I factorial, and 1 divided by math.factorial, this computes 1 upon factorial I, the ith term of the series. And here total sum, this adds the ith term to the total sum. In the next line here, this returns the final sum of the series. Now in the next line, in try block phase, try block handles potential errors during user input, and this prompts the user to enter a value of n, and int converts the input string to an integer. If the input is not a valid integer, it raises a value error. Now in the next line here, this checks if n is less than or equals to 0. If true, displays an error message prompting the user to enter a positive integer. And in the next line, this calls the sum of series function with n as its parameter. Now in the next line, this prints the formatted output, which rounds the result to 6 decimal places for good readability. And in the last line here, catches non-integer input. If the user enters non-integer input, for example text or special character, this displays an error message that invalid input, please enter a positive integer. So let's check this program. Enter a positive integer n and I am entering 4. Hence, the sum of series for n is equals to 4 is 1.708333. So thanks for watching this video.